Hi everyone, many have asked me why health issue is included into safety. In the ISO 45001, we have Occupational Health and Safety Management System. In the past, health issue is mainly focused on occupational health and recovery after accident so that we can continue to work. Nowadays, health issues include physical health and mental health. Why? The main reason is due to the aging population. As our workforce ages, we have more and more older workers. Let's look at Japan. 28% of the population is older than 65 years old. Countries like Singapore, China, European countries are facing similar issues. Using Singapore as an example, we can see very clearly that there is a decline in birth rate and increase in aging population. Do you know in 2020, 1 in 4 of our resident workers is more than 55 years old. A lot of them may continue to work because they may not have enough resources to retire, or they find joy in working and socializing with others. With such a massive workforce, how does it affect safety? When people work longer and retire at a later age, they are at a higher risk of chronic or work-related disease, in turn leading to workplace accidents. This brings us back to safety and health considerations in the workplace. For example, a simple slip, trip and fall for a younger worker, he may have little or no impact. He will recover immediately and continue to work. For an older worker, it means that he may break his hip, and for workers older than 70 years old, it can be fatal. In Singapore, the number of slip, trip and fall accidents is on the rise. To prevent this, please provide your workers with safety shoes or non-slip shoes. Change the shoes when the sole is flat and not until it breaks. To promote wellness to your workers, you can implement a health program consisting of 2 elements: physical health, mental health. Physical health. There are 4 components in physical health. 1. Health screening, to check if the workforce have any particular disease such as high cholesterol, diabetes or even cancer. 2. Arrange physical exercises such as Pilates, yoga, walking trips. This will strengthen their body and mind. 3. Health education. We can teach them healthy cooking, provide them with information on nutrition food. 4. Intervention program such as weight loss program or smoking cessation program. Mental health. There are 2 components in mental health. 1. Education program. We can organize stress management and how to be happy at work for your workers. 2. Supportive component. We can organize Mental Health Day, Smiling Campaign. With such a program in place, we can have a healthy workforce in a safe workplace. Thanks for watching. See you next time.